Good day and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Solomon Etefia. Today I'll be teaching you about NFTs. If you are a regular user of the internet, then I bet you must have come across NFT. It is actually an abbreviation. What do they represent? A lot of people have been asking. Before we talk about how NFTs can make you a whole lot of money, we want to first of all understand what NFT refers to. Like I said earlier, it is an abbreviation. N, they're representing non, F, fungible, and then T, token. So what is the meaning of non-fungible tokens? Let us attack the fungible word because it seems as the only word that is a bit difficult to understand. Now, fungibility is the ability of an object to be replaced by another object of equal value. I don't know if that is understandable. For instance, I have an iPhone here. Now, the ability of this iPhone to be replaced by something else of the same value is fungibility. For instance, you could tell me that this iPhone is $50, and then I hand $50 to you and then get this iPhone. That is fungibility. The value is the same. The value of $50 is the same with the value of this phone. Now, non-fungibility is that this iPhone does not have a specific value. For instance, we could say an artwork, because when we talk about NFTs presently, we are basically talking about artwork. Now, it is going to be more than that in the future, but presently that is what it is about. So, non-fungibility in artwork is that you cannot attach any particular value to an artwork. You cannot say this particular artwork is worth $2 or is worth $5. No, it depends on the moment and who is selling it to you at the moment. You could go elsewhere and sell it for a higher amount. So that is what non-fungible tokens are all about. Now, how can you make money from non-fungible tokens? I'd like you to check back on my channel the same time tomorrow. I drop you another video of how to make money from non-fungible tokens. Do have a nice day and thank you for watching.